Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make idli podi at your home. So many of my subscribers, they asked me to show how to make idli podi. So I thought I can make the video. So take a kadai, add half a cup of urad dal. So everything should be equal, guys. So here I added half a cup of urad dal and I'm going to add half a cup of chana dal. So here I am adding half a cup of chana dal. First we have to dry roast all these things together. This we have to add the hing powder which gives a nice taste in the idli podi. So the urad dal started becoming light brown in color and nice aroma, and in this I am adding this red chili. If you want to add the Kashmiri red chili, it gives a nice color but no spiciness, but this one very spicy. So yeah, so we have to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is done, guys, and we have to wait until it becomes cool down. Then only we have to grind it in the blender as a smooth powder. The idli podi will be ready. So yeah, and it's time to roast the sesame seeds. So here I took half a cup of sesame seeds. We have to fry this one separately and we have to fry until it fully cracked. It gives the sound. So everything is ready, guys, and after 10 to 15 minutes it becomes cool down and it's time to grind it in the blender as a smooth powder. So I put it in the blender and it's time to make a smooth powder. So it's time to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your podi. And after adding the salt, we have to blend this one for a minute. So the podi is ready, guys, and you can store this podi for 3 to 4 months. So yeah. And today I'm going to make dosa and I will show you guys. So for podi today I'm making this dosa, guys. So yeah, very crispy dosa. With the homemade batter. So here is chutney, podi and dosa, guys. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make idli podi for idli and dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.